Hi, this is Deborah, Beaters Cove LLC, and I thought I would do a quick video to show you how to put on the Rosa Slide Bracelet. It is a hand knotted macrame clasp, and you have two tails here with the beaded ends. These are stainless steel beads. And what you do is you open it all the way up, put it over your hand onto the wrist. Then with your middle finger or index finger, ring finger, whichever one is most comfortable for you, you hold one of the tails here on your palm of your hand, hold it down, and then with your other hand, with your thumb and finger, you pull the other end, and you just pull them opposite of each other, and there you go. It is an adjustable bracelet that will fit a wrist size anywhere from 6.5 to about 8 inches. And then how you take it off, you just put your finger underneath that macrame clasp, pull up, it expands it, and then you pull it off. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this gave you a demonstration on how you can put on and take off your Rosa Slide bracelet.